Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix issue Windows cannot install. Required files. Make sure all files required for installation are available and restart the installation. Error code 0x800-701E3. Actually, there are quite a few reasons for the failure. The most common are hard drive damage, USB file corrupted, Windows installation file error. Let's discuss in more detail each of these reasons capable to cause error 0x800-701E. 3. First, remove the USB drive from computer, and this issue can also arise from using the bad flash drive, which is corrupt or unreadable in some sections. In this case, you may have plugged in a USB device that is being read as some other disk drive, thus, the data that is being sent to the buffer by these devices can cause the error of Windows cannot install required files. Windows. There are chances that the image file that you downloaded is having a corrupted file that can't be decoded, which is quite common due to many duplicates available on the internet. You need to download the Windows 10 ISO file again and create a USB installation drive. Once again and now retry the installation. To download the Windows 10 ISO file, you should go to the Microsoft page and download the Windows 10 official version and then use the media creation tool or Rufus software for creating a bootable USB drive. Then install Windows OS. Hopefully the problem will be solved, and if the problem still shows, then move on to the next solution. If you keep getting Windows cannot install required files message, the problem might be your SATA port. It seems that certain glitches can occur, but fix the problem simply by connecting their hard drive to a different SATA port. To do that, you'll need to power down your PC, disconnect it from the power outlet, open the case, and connect the SATA cable that goes to your hard drive to a different SATA port on your motherboard. If you're installing Windows from an optical media, you can also connect your DVD drive to a different SATA port and check if that helps. Bear in mind that opening your computer case will void your warranty if you purchased a pre-built PC. Make sure that you're installing the correct version of Windows. As you may know, there are two types of Windows available, 32-bit and 64-bit. While 32-bit is almost completely replaced by a 64-bit version, but some users might still use 32-bit hardware. Bear in mind that you can't install a 64-bit version of Windows on 32-bit hardware, and if you try to do so, you might get Windows cannot install required files. Therefore, before you try to install Windows 10, check what type of motherboard and CPU are you using. Almost all new hardware is using 64-bit architecture, so if you purchased a new PC, it's rather likely that you have a 64-bit CPU. However, you can always visit the manufacturer's website and double-check it just in case. The hard drive is one of the most important components in a PC laptop. If the hard drive is damaged somehow, it will lead to a lot of problems. Definitely. You can try to fix the problem if the error is caused by some logical issues, yet you'll have no choice but to replace the hard drive with a new one if serious physical damage is found on it. Other possible reasons could be virus or malware attack, permission issues, and corrupted registry. Windows cannot install required files is a common error on Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7 PC. It is followed by various error codes, the causes and solutions to fix. Windows 10 cannot install required files. Please carefully watch the video and choose the one suitable for your case to try to solve the problem yourself. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.